federal judge handed a blow to the city of Austin this week regarding how they regulate short-term rentals. City council has worked to limit the number of rentals in our city, in large part to try and convince homeowners to offer units to people living in Austin, not just visiting. KXAN's Grace Reeder breaks down the ruling and talks to legal and policy experts about the far-reaching implications it could have.
There's been a few federal rulings around the United States that have had reverberating effects to cities and counties. This is going to be one of them.
A federal judge ruled against the city of Austin in a short-term rental lawsuit this week. The immediate effects are twofold. First, it means an Austin ordinance that prohibits some people from operating a short-term rental without living at the property is no longer valid. The judge also reaffirmed a 2019 ruling, which found that ordinance couldn't be applied retroactively, or as the attorney for the homeowners who sued put it,
if you already have a house and had a right, it can't be taken away. And cities, whatever you do, you can't make a distinction between people who live in Austin and people who don't.
But legal experts tell KXAN the impact of this ruling could extend beyond those two direct implications as cities around the country work to figure out how they regulate short-term rentals.
There will be future legal challenges most likely, and I think this is just another chapter in this fight.
Attorneys say outright restricting certain people from having short-term rentals creates a real good chance for a legal battle.
I represent hundreds or thousands at this point of citizens of Texas who believe that it is unconstitutional to ban anyone from renting out their house for short term.
But Matt Curtis, a founder of the Smart City Policy Group, which consults local governments, says there are smart ways to oversee short-term rentals, something the federal judge noted in his ruling too.
Noise, parking, trash, tax collection, registration. How are we addressing each of those? Well, there are rules and regulations that can be put in place. There's technology solutions that can be found. We just have to be able to seek them together.
Grace Reeder, KXAN News.